CBLL stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. CeriBell is $14.99, almost $15, which is sick. I like the performance on Friday that we had with 35%, which is again very good. But let's look at the broader picture because people get ultra focused on the small things. Now, I don't know what the hell is going on with this weekly candle. Yeah, of course, I know it's 18% down. But yeah, Friday did carry for sure. That's why you have to look at the broader picture because now, man, only thing that's going to make me buy this market right now currently is if number one, I see a big catalyst, or number two, I see like a crazy break above 1945 with a full candle close. Other than that, it's all noise, you know, like I'm not going to look to take things up randomly. So let me know what is your opinion on CeriBell. If you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.